Kajala Meghalaya haringkat ki weipat haka khatsan tarik unailar 800% kala rakhi ya kajingdap nyo pukandai senam kajingyo latlut keri India bat menteri rangba kajala ukon ke sangma ulalet banyashim ya kabenta ban penher ya kalama lairong bat kumju ban shim ya ka Rashtriya Salute jongki kenhun ya March Pass Hamadan Polo Shillong Kimat bakhambon ki balami na kasentur menteri rangba ha Jingkren jong ka dei halor ki kam ka sarkar MDA nadu usnem 8,000 khatpra hadu ka ni ka sngi bat bu thong ba ka jila Meghalaya kan keu shakhamat da ki jingtre kam ba pher hashwa usnem 8,000 laipu ar da ka ba penpau ka jingken mau buram ya ki nong ele lait lu nadu Mahatma Gandhi u Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru u Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel u Dr B.R. Ambedkar bat Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose u menteri rangba ula Kdew ya ki riu ya khun lait lut na ka rilom khasi jaintia bat garo kata ya utirot sing u kyang nangba bat upatugan sangma menteri rangba ula Kdew bana ka memorandum of understanding balaya soy hapdeng ke jila Meghalaya bat Assam ha ka phase 1 la pendep si Mawpud ha ka Thaiñ Hahim bat dang pen kre ban si sa haki weipat ki santali ki jaka da ka bapinkin mau ya ka jingman jungo ka Nirmala Sitharaman menteri sarkar ka India bapet ya ka tanat platingka dangshen ya ka jila menteri rangba ula ai khublai ru ya Narendra Modi menteri rangba du keri India ubala phai khmat ban kentiu ya ki kampen roi ha Meghalaya Kawaipat ka phang Jingkren ka dei ka ba ukonrad ula penpau ba ka Meghalaya ka wan ha ka kerdan ba ar bot ya ka jila Tamil Nadu kum ka jila ka ba kiub ha shakhmat ula ong ba ka growth rate house nem 8,000% ka poi khandai 0.9% ka balong arsha ya ka growth rate house nem 8,000 khatpra ka balong ha ka tikapor tangsan 0.1% Uloong baha usnem 8,000 khatpra ka growth domestic product kadan hapo lai pau hajar klor bat mentapat ka poi jan kot nreu pau hajar klor.
We remember and pay tribute to the visionaries who gave us a free India. Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. We pay homage to the patriots for Meghalaya's soil, U Turot Singh, U Kyang Nangba and Pathogan Sangba. We also honor the members of the defense, paramilitary and police forces who have made great sacrifices to protect the rule of law. Friends, last month, the Union Finance Minister, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman, spent 4 days in Meghalaya. She traveled across our beautiful state, meeting farmers, youth, entrepreneurs, women, and community members. After returning to New Delhi, she penned a heartfelt article about Meghalaya, commending our efforts to promote inclusive and sustainable development. She described Meghalaya as a shining example of a confident and self-reliant India. I am thankful to the Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, who has recently recognized Meghalaya's development model, describing it as a blueprint for an Atmanirbhar Bharat, and similar sentiments have been echoed by the chairman of the 16th Finance Commission. One thing is clear: Meghalaya is on the path of progress, and we are all on this glorious journey together. When I look back at the journey we began in 2018, it fills me with hope, confidence, and pride. Despite the global pandemic and other challenges, we are marching on the road of progress. Today, Meghalaya stands tall as the second fastest growing state in the country, just after Tamil Nadu. Our growth rate for 2024-25 at constant prices is 9.66%. This is double the state's growth rate of 5.1% in 2018 when the MDA government came to power. I am also proud to share that Meghalaya is the only state in the country which has achieved a consistent growth rate of about 10% over 3 consecutive years post the COVID pandemic. This is an achievement that all of us should be proud of. And how did Meghalaya transform to a state growing at 10%? Meghalaya's growth rate in 2015-2016 was 2%. 2016-2017 was 5%. 2017-2018 was 4%. 2018-2019 was 5%. And 2019-2020 was 5%. But in contrast, the growth rates in 2022-2023 was 10%. 2023-2024 was 11%. And 2024-2025 is 10%. This achievement is the result of years of persistence, careful planning, and the hard work of the government. There are challenges, but we shall overcome them. And we have done in the last 7.5 years. Friends, we are at a midway point in the 15-year journey from 2018 to 2032, when we commemorate 60 years of Meghalaya's statehood. In 2018, our GDP was less than 30,000 crores. In 7 years, we have doubled the GDP to 59,626 crores. In the next 7.5 years, we will more than double our GDP from current 60,000 crores to 1,40,000 crores. This increased GDP will lead to more jobs for our youth, more opportunities for every citizen, and make Meghalaya one of the top 10 states in the country. This is our Vision 2032, and the government is making every effort to make it a reality. Friends, as I reflect on the past 7.5 years,
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya